Welcome to my channel. Let's get straight to the point. In 2021, Yamaha launched R7 as a direct competitor to Kawasaki Ninja 650. Generally, sports bike class got heated after Aprilia launched its 660. It was rumored to have an even match against 600 4-cylinder class. Meanwhile, in comparison with Kawasaki Ninja 650, the R7 has 270-degree firing order, while Kawasaki Ninja 650 has 180-degree firing order. Let's compare Kawasaki Ninja 650 against Yamaha R7 with performance, ergonomics, maintenance, and impact to its class for those two bikes. Let's start with Ninja 650. I think it is already well known. It produces around 69 horsepower at 8000 RPM and 64 Nm at 6700 RPM. You can pause the video to read the full specification of this Ninja 650. And now the newcomer Yamaha R7. It produces around 71.9 horsepower at 8750 RPM and 67 Nm at 6500 RPM. A key aspect here, R7 used upside-down telescopic fork for its front suspension. For more details, you can pause the video and read for the full specification. Okay, let's start with performance. To be honest, both bikes will perform similarly to one another, especially in engine section. Both Ninja 650 and R7 will have similar horsepower on dyno. With the power distribution will also look and feel similar. With R7 has the higher cylinder capacity, it will produce more power than Kawasaki Ninja 650. And at its lower RPM, R7 also supported by its longer crankshaft than Ninja 650. Well, 8.6 mm longer to be exact. So both power and torque, Yamaha will get the upper hand, but will felt not so different since their power distribution is pretty similar. Ergonomically, R7 won't felt so different compared to Ninja 650. It is all caused by their design. With R7, Yamaha kept MT-07 frame while Kawasaki kept their Z frame into its Ninja. Both Z and MT-07 has been competing for several years before, and they both are in the naked sports 650 class. That was why R7 won't have any big difference with its naked siblings, and so do Ninja. The key difference between Ninja and R7 might only located to their front suspension, with R7 using inverted telescopic fork. With the inverted suspension, riding R7 will be felt more rigid and better at the track, while Ninja 650 will be felt more comfortable while using it for a daily commute bike. For maintenance, since both bikes are in the same class and using similar technology, there will be no big difference in maintenance. Both bikes are easy to use, maintain, pretty cheap, and easy to get the spare part. Conclusion: both bikes are awesome, but if you want more comfortable bike, you can choose Kawasaki Ninja 650. But if you want some more kick, pose out some more wheelie, and have some occasional track day, you might want to choose R7. Especially since these two bikes have similar price too, around $500 in difference. For me personally, if I only had 9 grand as my budget, I will choose R7 because I don't think I would like to use a full fairing for my daily commute bike. I think that's all from me. If you like my content, please share my video and maybe subscribe to my channel. I made videos in 2 languages. Make sure to watch my video that was marked with English as its language. Well, thank you for watching. See you in other video.